Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a declutter of my closet, like I said on my previous video, because I really need to declutter my closet, like really bad. This is my closet, of course. Let me show you guys. So this is what we're working with. On the bottom I have my shoes. It's gonna be a little hard to show you, but yeah, I have shoes. And my closet goes from over there to this side, like somewhere here, so I have more clothes. And on top I just have my perfumes, some Jeffree Star mystery boxes, because I love the packaging, but I think I'm just gonna throw them away. I have some of my Build-A-Bears that I got my elementary and middle school years, and I still have them and I love them so much, so I'm not gonna get rid of them because I love them so much. It's just a mess, so we're gonna be doing that. And first I think I'm gonna clear all that because I went to the Dollar Tree and I got these collapsible storage containers. There's the little boxes that fold, which I'm gonna use to store like my jeans, my jackets, my long sleeves. Since I'm not really using them, I'm gonna put them up there. So I think that's gonna give some room to this space because I'm getting new clothes. Also, I'm gonna be speeding through the clothes that I'm keeping, and I'm just gonna talk a little bit of the clothes that I'm getting rid of and tell you guys why I'm getting rid of them. So that's how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna take all that out, and before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow me on my social medias, and let's get started.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on.
I'm getting rid of this one. It's really cute and all. I think I got it from Didi's a long time ago, but I love it because it's a cute bomber jacket, but it doesn't fit me anymore. so I don't know why I still have that.
Everyone's mine. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got
Another one of these, but I think I'm gonna give it to my mom. So I'm gonna put this aside. These are Calvin Klein jeans, but I think I'm gonna get rid of them just because I don't really wear them and they fit big. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of them. Any of this clothes away. I'm actually gonna give them to my cousins because, well, to my cousin because she's my size, and usually when I'm getting rid of my clothes I usually give it to her and she keeps them. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with that. I also have a pair of the matching joggers, so I'm just gonna put them in here. So these are so comfortable, so I'm just gonna keep them there.
But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty. How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. Oh, yeah.
I have the bag. Like I said, jeans don't fit me. Well, they do fit me, I just don't like the fit. They're kind of baggy and I don't like that. This one doesn't fit me anymore. These are Torrid jeans, which they still fit me, I just don't wear them anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of them. This dress is bodycon that I got from Didi's. It fits and everything, I just think it looks kind of cheap. And I have another bodycon dresses are such prettier than this one, so this one getting rid of. I think I'm getting rid of this dress just because I have other pretty black dresses, and this is pretty old, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. This one is really cute. I wore it for a baby shower, I believe, which I'll post a picture right here. Really cute and everything. I just never wore it again, and I feel like I can have more cute dresses. This one is not mine. This is Sweet 16. Yeah, not mine. I think it's probably from my nieces, sorry. So yeah, I'm just getting rid of that. I'm also getting rid of this dress. It's inside out, but I got it from Didi's, I believe. I think I have a try on haul with this one. But like I said, I have new dresses, so I just have to let it go.
But how can
like wrapped shirts. This one I believe I got it from Diddy's as well. I wore it once, but I think it's time to get rid of it. It's really pretty. It's just, I think it fits a little tight. And yeah, no. This dress, I actually wore this for my high school graduation. This was like the only like bodycon that I had at the time, so I wore it, but it's really old. Like old. So yeah, I think it's time to get rid of it. I know it was from my graduation, but it's time to let it go.
I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going around like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive.
Another pair of jeans, which these I'm for sure gonna get rid of them. Super old. These I got like my junior year of high school, and I'm gonna be a senior in college, so I think it's time to get rid of them. I don't even wear them anymore.
We got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my hands.
I think I'm getting rid of this dress just because I wore it once for New Year's 2016 or 17, and I never wore it again, and I know I'm not gonna wear it again, so getting rid of it. I'm also getting rid of this one just because it's kind of difficult to get into. I struggle a lot, so yeah, it's kind of like short, so I don't like that. I love this little top, but it's super old. Also from my high school years, and it's definitely like I just love it. I just have to let it go. I know I can find other cute ones that look like this from Shein, so I'm just gonna let it go. This one is also really cute. It's a off-the-shoulder shirt. This one I got it like the beginning years of my college years, but I don't really use it anymore, so getting rid of it. So this one is just like the last one. So this one is a little more flowy, but I'm gonna get rid of it just because it's pretty old as well. This see-through shirt, I'm getting rid of it. I got it a long time ago. As you guys can see from the roses, when that rose trend was going on back in like, I don't know, 2016, 2017 or something. So yeah, this one, it's in perfect conditions. I just don't wear it anymore. So I have one left, which I think in here I'm gonna put all my bras, all my socks, like all my underwear. Well, I don't know about socks yet, but for sure my underwear, because I have another drawer with all my my underwear, but I think I'm gonna put it in here so it's like easier access. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix this, and I'm gonna hang up all the new clothes that I have, since I have a lot of hangers now. I have a lot of space. I'm kind of gonna coordinate everything, like dresses, shirts, and yeah. So I'm gonna do that.
Without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the wrong. We know that will come. We're out.
clothes, guys. I'm so happy, and I'm gonna show you guys right now the bag of clothes that I took out. This is the bag of clothes that I'm getting rid of, and like I said, I'm not actually getting rid of them. I'm either gonna give them to my cousin or donate them. But this is the giant bag of clothes that I have, and I'm so happy. You guys have no idea how it feels. So now I just have some trash that I need to clean, but this is pretty much my closet now. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry about my ratchetness right now, but it was cleaning day, and I wasn't really feeling like wearing makeup. Plus outside it was really cloudy, and you know, the hurricane Hannah, so it was like not feeling like doing my makeup. So it's just like, you know what, it's a cleaning day, so I'm not gonna wear makeup. So I'm sorry. I do have some, you know, acne, but that's just Mother Nature that is coming for me right now. But you guys, that's everything that I have for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.